That was awful. A little bit, man. So I woke up, tried to watch the game, brushed my teeth. Time to go. And I tried to decide how am I supposed to pack when my head is pounding. Absolutely pounding. I managed to pack, put everything in the bag. And that's right, I pulled the USB out without closing. And now it's time to go. Bye-bye. I actually met a friend, Gabe. Thank you for the ramen. You are the best. I appreciate it. Now, the cab ride wasn't bad, but my head continued to pound all the way home. I think I just need to rest. I am super tired. It doesn't look like I am really someone who just came out of surgery, but I'm dead.
I am home. I am exhausted. I want to just lay down. So, surgery went pretty good yesterday. I was out of it. I have no idea how I was able to actually still vlog. Should probably look at that actually and see what that looks like. Surgery went pretty good. It was not as painful as it was yesterday, but I am a little bit drowsy. So I'm gonna go to sleep. It's a short vlog today. See you tomorrow.